All right, breaking my silence now. There's a tiny little spider in my parcel that I received from the Netherlands. I don't know if it's a Netherlands spider or an Australian spider, but I think I have to pause and deal with this before I come back. Okay, so I'm back now. It was a really tiny spider, but still, like, what the hell? My husband reckons it couldn't have survived from the Netherlands. Because it took a few weeks to get here. Anyways, there's some filler cardboard. There's a note. Thanks for your purchase. Have fun with it. Oh, cool. Alright, this is it. I do plan to have fun with this. My husband was like, you should open it to make sure it's okay, because I've been kind of holding out. I've just been traveling to Europe and a little bit of Thailand as a stopover, pretty much for my 40th birthday. And I've been buying myself a whole bunch of presents before, during, after. So this is one of them. So this came to Australia from a luxury boutique in the Netherlands. And I've been eyeing this for a while. I'm like, oh, might as well get it. And it arrived in Australia while I was away. Then I collected it as soon as I got back. And I've been resisting opening it because I'm like, am I in the right mindset to enjoy this? But I think it was time because I plan to wear it for brunch today. Okay. All right, we can do this together. Ooh. Ooh. It's woolier than I expected. So tissue paper. Here it is! Okay, I just wanted to make sure the shoulders work because I haven't bought garments from this brand before. And the shoulders should work. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, look how cool it is. Looking at it in the mirror and on the camera. Huh? I'm tripping out because it looks a bit green on the camera and on the mirror, but it's actually not green. It's a mix of blue and yellow that has the green effect. So as I'm looking at it up close, it's like, wait, it's not all the rainbow that I expected. But anyways, here it is. It is a knitted cardigan by VERSACE. And I need to take this in. Like I told you, like my mindset, I'm like, I don't know if I was ready to receive this because I knew I wanted to definitely enjoy it. And I was trying to prolong any potential disappointment, which is a terrible way to think of things. So I'm just doing a quick check to make sure everything looks in order. And wow, it is reasonably thick. As you can see, like the general fibers, they've spun together quite thick. Gold buttons with a Medusa head. Okay, let's put it on. So I had been eyeing this for, I don't know, I feel like maybe over a year. I've seen it online, I've seen it on a few people on Insta, and I'm like, oh, it's so fun and fabulous. And I figured that it was time for me to get, hopefully it's not linked to my age, but I wanted a cardigan, like a kind of jacket style cardigan that had a collar like this. And the rainbows is just me. There's the tag. There's a spare button, which is great. I feel like, you know, my style is evolving, and I've been interested in fashion for like a super long time. And I'm finding it's time that I evolve into, I guess, more designer pieces. Not because of the brand, not because of the price, but because their designs are more sophisticated, and I guess my palette in general has evolved, and I'm kind of getting tired of high street. So I thought, if that's where my destiny is going, I thought I'd break into it with this fun piece. So I'm just going to put it on. Wasn't sure about the sizing, but let's check it now. Oh, it looks so fun. It's spring here and it's turning summer soon in Melbourne. But it stays quite cool here in general, so I think I should still be able to wear it for quite a while. Okay, so here it is. Wow, the sleeves are quite long. The shoulders fit me right here, so the seam sits pretty much like on the corner of my shoulder. The sleeves feel a bit long, but when I stretch it out, it feels okay. And the length is pretty good. So this is so deceiving. The colors are so trippy. Look, see, it's blue and yellow, not green. But from far away, I thought it was green, and in photos, I thought they were green. So this is the back. And these are faux pockets. That's what the lining looks like. Oh my gosh. This is, I think, the La Greca pattern by Versace. Whoa. And I like the diagonal lines, the dynamicness of it. And then if you look at it, it creates this kind of pattern with the shadow and the light. And I can do this up comfortably. Oh my gosh, so cool. Oh, I'll be able to enjoy this. I have a lot of block colors, so I'm introducing a lot more pattern. Ideally, I'm looking for pattern tops, and hopefully I can find some soon to wear more for spring, summer. Oh my gosh, it's so fun. I'm gonna wear this out today. Actually, to show you, for anyone that's curious, what the inside looks like. It's together quite well on the inside as well. Nice. What's it made of? Yeah, 100% wool. Oh my gosh, how fun is this? What do you think? It doesn't matter what you think, as long as I enjoy it, but feel free to share your thoughts and comments, and stay tuned. I'm going to be unboxing a few more birthday goodies that I've got for myself. See ya.